Hi guys, Sergio here. Welcome to the second episode of the Tesla Life. Today we will be reviewing a care package that was sent to us by our friends over at Abstract Ocean. Let's get right into it. So one of the first things that you do when you get a new car is you basically want to make it your own. There are little things that you want to make it more in your own taste that maybe you don't have a way of saying how you want them when you buy the car. For example, with the Tesla, specifically the Model 3 itself, it is the center console. The center console comes with a glossy finish, almost like some black piano keys. And the thing is that most people say that this material is pretty easy to scuff, to scratch, and fingerprints can look really noticeable on them. So with this in mind, I reached out to our friends over at Abstract Ocean, and they were kind enough to send us a little care package with the basic things that all Tesla owners must have once they buy their cars. So let's get right into the box, see exactly what is in it, and we'll see what they've sent us. Let's open up this box and see what's inside. The first thing that I see here is a list of all the products that is included in the box. So in my case, I have a clear tempered glass protector, which is for the screen, which is amazing. It's one of the things that worries me the most. In fact, we haven't taken off the protective wrap that comes from the factory off the car because I am so afraid of hitting the screen or scratching it up because, let's face it, I'm clumsy and that tends to happen. So they were kind enough to send me one of those. They sent me also a package of the Model 3 center console vinyl wraps in matte black. Perfect. That's the color that I like. That's the one thing. It's the only thing that bothers me of the interior is that glossy finish on the center console. So this matte black will take care of that, and I'm pretty sure it will look amazing. And the third thing that they sent me is a center console tray for the Model 3. So basically, in the center console, there is this huge gaping hole when you open it, which isn't really that practical because you have to reach all the way inside to pull something out. So this tray will probably eliminate that and will make it much more practical to use and add some extra storage to that center console because I'll have like 2 layers of space to put things in. It also says that my order was heroically packed by Lauren. So thank you, Lauren, over at Abstract Ocean. You did a great job here from what I'm seeing. And let's pull everything out. Okay, so now we've opened the box, we read what's inside it. I took out all the protective packaging. So let's see exactly what these products look like and see what we're in for. So let's get this one first. Let me just put this out of the way. So in this little box, I believe, yes, it is going to be the center console tray. So here we are. Here we go, beautiful. Okay, so we have this plastic tray. Let me get it out of the way. We have this plastic tray which goes in that middle center console because you have the one where you have the armrest which comes with a tray from Tesla itself. Then you have the 2 cup holders and then the center console in the middle, which is where you have that gaping hole that I talked about earlier. This tray looks pretty big. It looks big in a good sense. Like you can fit a lot of things into it. Once we get into the car, we'll see exactly how it fits and how precise it is. So that's something that we have to check out. It brings these rubber mats that you put inside the tray itself, like so. And it will prevent your things from sliding around. So for example, in this pocket right here, you put in the mat. You can put in some sunglasses in there. You have some coins here. Some coin storage space here, and you have this also little pocket here which also has its own little rubber mat. So you put that inside, and then after that's done, you pop it into your center console and then you're good to go. So this tray looks amazing. We'll fit into the car later on with everything else and I'll let you know how it fits. Let's go on to the second product here. Okay, so this one says, please do not bend. I will assume that this is the glass screen protector for the big screen that you have in your Model 3. You have on the back here how to get in touch with Abstract Ocean. As you can see, they are abstractocean.com on all of their social media. So Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. And now, let's just open this envelope and make sure that I am right in assuming that it's this glass screen protector. actually it's not the screen protector, it is the vinyl wrap film for the center console itself. So as we can see here, it comes in all these parts, and basically what you do is just peel them off, stick them on the center console, so that in my case it will take off the glossy black and replace it with this nice matte black finish, which is something that I personally like more, and it's one of my favorite colors to put on things. Now, full disclosure, I am not 100% sure if I am going to be the one doing this because I'm terrible at arts and crafts. So I would probably ask my wife to do the honors and volunteer for it. So if you see painted fingernails or nicer fingernails than mine, you know why that is, because it's not me. I don't trust myself with this and I don't want to mess it up. Okay, let's go next to the next product. Careful not to bend it. How do we put this away? Whatever. Let's just put it over here. And now for the final product. I hope this is the screen protector, and yes it is. As you can see here, it's a premium HD clear tempered glass screen protector with the installation template. What that is, I don't know, I've never seen one before, but let's check it out. And if they manage to take me out of the equation with how terrible I am with placing things, then I think that's a huge bonus. And let's check it out. Let's open it up and see. Where's the knife? So as I'm opening this up, I'm actually seeing that on the box, they have the instructions on what to do and how to install it. So the first thing is watch the installation video that they made. I'm pretty sure that has great tips and tricks for how to make it work. You have to make sure that the climate control fan is off, and basically dust is your enemy, which makes sense. Clean your glass before you put it in. I'll let you read all of these so that this video does not go on for long. And now let's just open it up and check it out. It includes a cleaning wipe so that you can remove everything from the glass itself. As you can see, it has removes a cleaning wipe that removes the excess dirt, and on the back it has some dust grabbers. So basically what you do with these is that you peel them off the paper, and then with that just dab it on the glass itself to take care of any dust that is sticking there, and that will take care of it. And then this is the template for the screen. So let's see, probably in the video they'll explain it more in detail how it works. I'll check it out before installing my own. And here is the tempered glass screen protector. I'm not gonna take it out just to make sure that I don't damage it or anything like that. It feels pretty sturdy and it sounds pretty sturdy. I don't know if the microphone can pick that up. Yeah, I think it does. So it looks pretty good, and it'll probably protect the glass way better than just having it by itself. So now the next thing is installing them and taking a look at how they fit. So there you have it, an easy and affordable way to make the car change entirely how it looks on the inside and just make it a little bit more your own. I can say that since the moment we put it on and we took a step back and saw it, it definitely feels better, at least in my opinion, and it feels more like my own car. Putting in the vinyl pieces was relatively easy. Pay attention to the Abstract Ocean videos for installation. They go into great detail into what you should do. They give you great tips. And the only thing that went wrong in our case was that the sun was hitting directly into the cabin, so it was heating it up a lot and made moving around the vinyl pieces a bit more difficult. That can be fixed by doing what we did. We just rolled it back into the garage, and as long as you keep the cabin around 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius, it should be okay. There shouldn't be any issues at all. And installing the glass screen protector was extremely easy. Like, I can't believe how easy it was. It was much easier than putting it on a cell phone. You just use the template that they give you and it just pops right into place, which is perfect and amazing. And it was a great job. So that's it on my end. If you have any ideas of products that I should review or things that you were thinking of buying but aren't 100% sure of it, let me know in the comments below and I'll try to reach out and try to get them and do a review for you before you spend the money. And if you have any ideas for videos, upcoming videos, let me know also. So subscribe to the channel, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time on Living the Tesla Life.